Hey, welcome back to Brewing with Ty. Today we're going to be making some Backwoods wine. All right, guys, so on this little episode here, we're going to be doing a Backwoods wine. I've had people ask me, hey, can you just do this as simple as possible? Well, you can. Literally, 3 ingredients. I'm going to add something else at the end, but you do not need to. Literally, 1 quart grape juice. This is a Santa Cruze Concord grape from concentrate. Make sure you get the bottom all shook up. 4 cups of sugar. It sounds like a ton. That's because it is a ton. And I will be using 71B for the yeast. I will be using a whole pack, not a half a pack, because I need to get rid of this so I have new ones coming in. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. Shake it up, get all of the nice stuff out of the bottom. Everything has been sanitized in Star San, like always. The bubbler airlock has Star San in it. The cup has been done. Everything else has been used. We are using the little big mouth bubbler. Of course, you do not need to use that. Any 1 gallon apparatus that you can find, that will work. And remember, at the beginning, you always want that air. I'm going to add 2 of those in. Then I'm going to add the sugar. Oh, that stuff smells good. I've never had their grape juice before. I just seen it because it was 100% juice and it says filtered water, organic Concord grape juice concentrate. That is what's in it. So, and if you have sugar, I would recommend keeping it in a baggie. So we need 4 cups, and yes, I found this recipe. I will say I found this recipe online, which in all reality, this came from somebody that I've known for a long time. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 to rot your teeth out. So what we're going to do now we're just going to stir this until we can't stir anymore. I'm going to go ahead and add another one in there. I did forget to mention I'm using 100% cane sugar. Now I'm going to add in the last one. As you might say, man, that's a lot of bubbles. You want the bubbles. At the beginning, you want the bubbles. After fermentation, we do not want bubbles. And there is our 1 gallon of juice. Now, what I'm going to add, which many might say is not a Backwoods wine because I'm adding this, is I'm going to use a half teaspoon of Pectic Enzyme because I like my stuff not being cloudy. And what I've noticed from the fruit punch wine that I just got done doing, this works great. Just sprinkle it in and it'll do its own thing. Next comes a gravity reading because we have to get our gravity readings. And it is already not disappointing. So let's give it the twirly. And we are at, where'd my pin go? .200. The OG is 1.200. I figured it was going to be like that just for the simple fact that we used a ton of sugar. So we will definitely be able to tell if this thing ferments out like I think it's going to. Now we will add the Lalvin 71B, and it is not a terror. I just have really grippy fingers. So here is the yeast. Since everything is sterilized, I'm going to go ahead and add this back in. Give it a little twirl just to get it to the bottom. I don't want it sticking on the side. I do want it to go down underneath these bubbles though. It will do its thing. So, get our airlock, put on the lid, put this on. You want to tighten these things down good. There we go. So, to review, Concord grape juice, 4 1-quarts, 4 cups of cane sugar, half a teaspoon of Pectic Enzyme, right in my face. Let's see here. And the beginning gravity was 1.200. So, we will see how this turns out. I cannot wait. If you guys have not checked out the other video of the fruit punch wine, go check that out. I'll have it listed here somewhere for you. So, as always, stay at the ready and stay thirsty.